Bonjour à tous, bienvenue pour la leçon numéro 14. Today, my dear students, we will learn how to ask and tell the time in French. So we will use phrases like il est plus a number and heure. Allez, c'est parti, on attaque. But before that, something really important for all of you who are learning with us. Numbers can be super tricky in French, so you have to work on it as soon as you can. Oops, sorry. That's why I really want you to go to our Telegram channel. You have the link in the description of every single video, because on this Telegram channel, you will find videos to help you understand and master the different numbers in French. The sooner, the better. Le plus tôt, le mieux. Allez, let's go. C'est parti. On attaque. Little dialogue to start our journey to ask and tell time in French. Excuse-moi. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 8 heures. Merci beaucoup. De rien. Now, there is no translation here, right? Why? But because you normally understand what we are saying in this little dialogue, right? No? Excuse me, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Thank you very much. You're welcome. No, key sentences, key phrases to talk about the time in French. We will see a bit more during all this lesson. First, how to ask for the time. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Later, we're going to pronounce all the sentences a bit slower. Il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. Okay, so if I just say il est 1 heure, it means it's 1 o'clock. If I add de l'après-midi, it's meaning of the afternoon, de l'après-midi. So PM. Every time we add de l'après-midi or du soir, of the evening, it's PM. Il est 2 heures du matin. If I add du matin, it's always AM. So PM can be two different way of saying it. De l'après-midi, of the afternoon, du soir, of the evening. AM can only be du matin, of the morning. Il est midi, noon, like midday, midi. Minuit, midnight, hein, minuit, la nuit, the night, minuit, midnight. Il est 4 heures et quart, and quarter, meaning it's quarter past something. Il est 4 heures et quart. Il est 7 heures moins le quart, less the quarter. It's quarter to any number. Il est 4 heures moins le quart, it's quarter to 4. Il est 7 heures moins le quart, we take a quarter off, it's quarter to 7. Repeat after me, everybody. Il est 1 heure. It is 1 o'clock. A bit faster, and we're going to do the liaison, the connexion. Il est 1 heure. Again. Il est 1 heure. Il est 1 heure. Now, if I want to say AM, I will have to add il est 1 heure du matin. If I want to specify PM, I have to add il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. Next one. Il est 5 heures et demi. It's 5:30. Anytime we add et demi after heure, it means half past something. Repeat after me. Il est 5h30. Il est 5h30. Great, fantastic. Next one. Il est 8h du matin. Il est 8h du matin. Last one. Il est 9h du soir. Il est 9h du soir. Il est 9h du soir. Remember, I told you that when we want to specify PM in French, we can say de l'après-midi, of the afternoon, ou du soir, of the evening. So around 7, 8, you can actually say 7h du soir, 8h du soir, 9h du soir, because it's the evening. And before that, you can say 1h de l'après-midi, 2h de l'après-midi, 3h de l'après-midi, etc., etc. Allez, questions to ask for the time and to practice. 3 ways to ask for the time in French. First of all, the more common one. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est 13h. It's 1 p.m. because we can also use 13, 13. It's 13 o'clock. Il est 13h. We can also take the question and reverse it. Instead of saying quelle heure est-il? What hour is it? I can say il est quelle heure? It is what hour? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? From that question, you can answer il est 14h. It's 14 o'clock. So 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. OK? Il est 2h de l'après-midi. Or, il est 14h. Finally, tu as l'heure. You have the hour. Tu as l'heure. Do you have the time? Do you know what time is it? Oui, il est 8h. It's 8 o'clock. I should add, il est 8h du matin, 8 a.m. Il est 8h du soir, 8 p.m. You decide. Okay, repeat after me. Questions. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Next one. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Last one. Tu as l'heure? Tu as l'heure? And as you can see right there, there's a little pro tip for pronunciation. French people, if we are in an informal conversation, instead of saying tu as, we will say ta, ta. Tu as, ta. So instead of saying tu as l'heure, when we talk to a friend, we will say ta l'heure, ta l'heure. Hey, Vincent, à l'heure? Oui, il est 13 heures ou il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. It's 1 p.m. Live exercise. Come on, guys, complete the sentence. 3 sentences to complete here. For the first one, est-il? Pretty simple, right? Second sentence, il est midi et watch out. Here you have 2 options possible. Third one, il est minuit, le quart. So you can write your answers in the comment of this video or in your notebook or in both of them. All right. The more you practice, the easier it's going to get. Answers. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est midi et demi, half past noon, or il est midi et quart, quarter past noon. Il est minuit moins le quart, because I have the article le, I can only use moins. It's quarter to midnight. Il est minuit moins le quart. Super travail tout le monde. Recap. Today we've learned how to ask and tell the time. Il est 6 heures du matin, 6 a.m., 6 heures de l'après-midi ou 6 heures du soir, 6 p.m. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Next lesson, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine. What time you wake up, what do you do in the morning, etc., during your day. Remember, everybody, don't forget to download all the PDF of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Join our Telegram group when you will find lots of extra content, the PDF, but also a fantastic community where you can exchange in French and improve your skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for next lesson, everybody. Excellent travail aujourd'hui. Confetti pour vous. Allez, à bientôt. Salut!